Hello everyone and welcome back to another repair video. This time I have a fully damaged iPhone 12 Pro Max and I'm going to transform it from this to this. What I will need for this repair is screen adhesive seal, one rear glass replacement, new OLED screen, some camera lens waterproof seal, and a new battery. Let's get started by removing the SIM tray and bottom screws. Next, warm up the display panel to loosen the adhesive. Once the screen is open, detach it from the chassis by unscrewing the metal shields and disconnecting the battery first, touchscreen and display connectors. Now let's remove the old battery. You can apply some isopropyl alcohol and also you can use a suction cup to make this process much easier. Now we have to be focused on the internal components. By removing the triple camera modules, you are going to prepare the phone for extreme temperatures. This step ensures that the internal components stay protected. Then take out the front camera module, followed by the flash module and LiDAR sensor. These two components are delicate and can be damaged under high heat, so it's crucial to protect them. This phone also has a cracked camera lens. For a detailed step-by-step guide on replacing it, check out the video linked in the description. To remove the broken glass, use a heat gun set to 380 degrees Celsius, then use a remover blade to carefully lift and remove the cracked glass. Pay extra attention to the edges, which are mostly plastic, and be cautious around the wireless charging coil as it's fragile and can be easily damaged. Now, with the cracked glass and adhesive fully removed, without damaging any components, it's time for reassembly. Start by reinstalling the LiDAR sensor, flash module, and front camera. Carefully reconnect all flex connectors, then secure the internal components with their screws. Next, reinstall the triple camera module into the chassis. Follow each step precisely to ensure a successful repair. Now mount the new battery and prepare to install the new screen. Before installing the new screen, we need to transfer the Face ID module from the old screen to the new one. Use a few drops of isopropyl alcohol and handle it carefully as Face ID components are fragile. Once the Face ID module is secured, apply the new screen adhesive seal and reconnect the OLED display. Ensure all connectors and metal shields are properly secured. At this stage, you can connect the phone to a charger and run a quick test to verify that all components are functioning correctly. Now it's time to glue the new rear glass. I'm using B7000 glue, which works perfectly for this. Apply the glue along the edges and between the camera modules, but avoid the wireless charging coil and chassis openings. To maintain the phone water resistance, install the rubber seals around the camera lenses. Then place the new glass and apply light pressure to help the glue set properly. Due to a delivery issue with the replacement lenses, I've attached a detailed video in the description to help you to install them correctly. And here is the final result. This phone looks almost as brand new. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more repair guides. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below. See you in the next one.